Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's quiz is Pre-Agriculture Test, PAT, 2019, Part 1. Question number 1. Which of the following two families dominate in having maximum useful plants? Option A. Fabaceae and Poaceae. Option B. Liliaceae and Solanaceae. Option C. Liliaceae and Poaceae. Option D. Malvaceae and Brassicaceae. The correct answer is Option A. Fabaceae and Poaceae. The Fabaceae or Leguminosae is commonly known as the legume or pea family. They are an economically important family of flowering plants. The Poaceae is a large family of monocotyledonous flowering plants. The Poaceae is the fifth largest plant family. Poaceae belongs to the grass family of monocotyledonous flowering plants. It produces economically useful plants such as barley, maize, oats, rice, bamboo, meadowgrass, ryegrass, etc. Question number 2. Atlas 66 variety of wheat was developed for Option A. Checking grassy stunt virus. Option B. High protein content. Option C. Vitamin C. Option D. Scented grains. The correct answer is Option B. High protein content. A new productive high-protein hard winter wheat variety derived from Atlas 66, with genetic potential for 2% higher grain protein content was released to growers by the Agricultural Research Service. Question number 3. Primary carboxylation occurs in C3 and C4 plants with the help of Option A. Root carboxylase and pyruvate carboxylase. Option B. Root carboxylase and pep carboxylase. Option C. Pep carboxylase and root carboxylase. Option D. Pep carboxylase and pyruvate carboxylase. The correct answer is Option B. Root carboxylase and pep carboxylase. Primary carboxylation in C3 plants is done by RuBP in the presence of enzyme RuBP carboxylase. In C4 plants, it is done by the pep molecule with the help of pep carboxylase. Question number 4. In germinang seeds, fatty acids are degraded exclusively in the underscore. Option A. Protoplastid. Option B. Mitochondria. Option C. Gloxysomes. Option D. Peroxisomes. The correct answer is Option C. Gloxysomes. In germinating seeds, fatty acids are degraded exclusively in gloxysomes. Gloxylate cycle occurs in tissues rich in fats, such as those of germinating seeds. The enzymes involved in the cycle, which have not been found in mammals, are contained in organelles called gloxysomes. Question number 5. In order to stop a car in shortest distance on a horizontal road, one should underscore. Option A. Apply brakes hard enough to just prevent slipping. Option B. Apply the brakes very hard so that the wheels stop rotating. Option C. Shut off the engine and not apply brakes. Option D. Press and release the brakes. The correct answer is Option A. Apply brakes hard enough to just prevent slipping. If the brakes are applied only to stop wheels rotating at a great speed, there is a chance of skidding or slipping. So to stop in the car in the shortest distance, the car should be stopped from slipping. Pumping brakes will make the car move slowly and stopping the engine will not help to stop the car for a long time because of the inertia of the car. Question number 6. Newton's law of cooling is valid for Option A. High temperature. Option B. Large temperature difference. Option C. Small temperature difference. Option D. Low temperature. The correct answer is Option C. Small temperature difference. This is because the rate of loss of heat due to convection is proportional to the temperature difference for small temperature differences only. Hence Newton's law of cooling is derived assuming that the temperature difference is small. Question number 7. Which hydrocarbon is mainly present in gobar gas? Option A. butane. Option B, propane. Option C, methane. Option D, ethane. The correct answer is option C, methane. Question number 8. Which among the following is the unit of power? Option A, ampere. Option B, ohm. Option C, volt. Option D, watt. The correct answer is option D, watt. What is a unit of power and hour is a unit of time? Question number 9. Which among the following statements is true regarding electrostatic lines of force? Option A. Electrostatic lines of force are continuous curves in an electric field starting from a negatively charged body and ending on a positively charged body. Option B. Electrostatic lines of force intersect each other. Option C. Electrostatic lines of force are non-continuous curves in an electric field starting from a negatively charged body and ending on a positively charged body. Option D. Electrostatic lines of force are continuous curves in an electric field starting from a positively charged body and ending on a negatively charged body. The correct answer is option D. Electrostatic lines of force are continuous curves in an electric field starting from a positively charged body and ending on a negatively charged body. Question number 10. Which one of the following vitamin contains a metal atom? Option A, vitamin B6. Option B, vitamin A. Option C, vitamin B2. Option D, vitamin B12. The correct answer is option B, vitamin A. Vitamin B12 contains a metal atom. It is also called cyanocobalamin and contains cobalt, Co, atom. Question number 11. Glucose and fructose are converted into ethanol in the presence of underscore. Option A, zymase. Option B, invertase. Option C, lipids. Option D, diastase. The correct answer is option A, zymase. Alcoholic fermentation converts 1 mole of sucrose into 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, also known as ethanol, and 2 moles of carbon dioxide, producing 2 moles of ATP in the process. Question number 12. Heat capacity of water during melting is option A, 1. Option B, 0. Option C, infinity. Option D, insufficient data. The correct answer is option C, infinity. Question number 13. Soft soaps contain option A, calcium salt. Option B, potassium salt. Option C, sodium salt. Option D, magnesium salt. The correct answer is option B, potassium salt. Potassium salts of fatty acids should yield soft soaps because they are more soluble in water than sodium salts of fatty acids, which yield hard soaps. They contain more water, so they are softer. Question number 14. The reaction between alkali and fat is called option A, hydrolysis. Option B, saponification. Option C, distillation. Option D, dehydration. The correct answer is option B, saponification. Soap is made in a chemical reaction between a fat and an alkali. This reaction is called saponification. Question number 15. In monocots, the guard cell are underscore. Option A, spherical. Option B, reniform. Option C, isodiametric. Option D, dumbbell-shaped. The correct answer is option D, dumbbell-shaped. The modified epidermal cells present in the stomata are called guard cells. These are kidney-shaped in dicots and dumbbell-shaped in monocots. Question number 16. Parthenocarpic fruit cannot be produced by the application of option A, IAA. Option B, 2,4-D. Option C, ABA. Option D, IBA. The correct answer is option C, ABA. Parthenocarpy is the process of producing seedless fruits without fertilization. Various phytohormones are used to produce parthenocarpic fruit. Auxin hormone like IAA, IBA, 2, 4D are most widely used to induce parthenocarpy. It can also be induced by the application of gibberellin hormone. Question number 17. Cruciform corolla is found in Option A, pea. Option B, China rose. Option C, radish. Option D, sunflower. The correct answer is Option C, radish. Cruciform corolla is a type of polypetalous corolla in which the 4 free petals are equal and arranged in the form of a cross. It is a regular corolla and is characteristics of the family Brassicaceae. Hence cruciform corolla is found in radish. Question number 18. Under unfavorable conditions, many zooplanktons enter a stage of suspended development called underscore. Option A, torpor. Option B, hibernation. Option C, diapause. Option D, quiescence. The correct answer is Option C, diapause. Under unfavorable conditions, many zooplankton species in lakes and ponds enter diapause. It is considered to be a physiological state of dormancy with very specific initiating and inhibiting conditions, resulting in delays in development. Question number 19. The number of stamens in the family of Asteraceae is Option A, 3. Option B, 10. Option C, 7. Option D, 5. The correct answer is Option D, 5. As with the bracts, the nature of the pappus is an important diagnostic feature. There are usually 5 stamens. The filaments are fused to the corolla, while the anthers are generally connate, syngenesious anthers, thus forming a sort of tube around the style, theca. Question number 20. In cucurbits, the hypodermis is formed of Option A, collecema. Option B, sclerenchyma. Option C, arenchyma. Option D, parenchyma. The correct answer is Option A, collecema. The cortical region present below the epidermis is called hypodermis. It is made up of collecemae in dicotyledons and sclerenchymae in monocotyledons. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.